Mhm. You said
Morning, sir.
good morning. Good morning. Very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir.
Only 51. Good morning. Only 51 students have joined so far. Good morning. Good morning. Without wasting any more time to wish good morning, let us go into the topic giving instructions. Okay, before that, let me ask you, are you taking precautions for COVID-19?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You should not go out without mask. Even at home, you have to wear mask. Do you know that? Now, COVID is spreading very widely these days. It is more rapid, more vigorous than last year. So be very careful. Be very, very careful. Have you linked your biometric Aadhaar for scholarship? Yesterday, I sent you a message. You have to link your biometric for scholarship. Have you seen that or not?
Sir, a small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So yesterday I went to MeSema and I said them to enroll my biometrics, sir. They are saying that college people has not forwarded. If they will forward, I will allow to enroll your biometric. He's saying so.
No, have you
Yes,
talked
sir.
to hostel manager Srinivas sir?
Yes, sir. Sir is saying I will send again message in group.
Yeah, whatever sir says will be
separate
final because I am not related to scholarship. Okay? Scholarship, any doubt, if you have any
Okay,
doubt
sir.
about scholarship, you have to talk to hostel manager Srinivas sir. Okay? Regarding linking or regarding any doubt, if you have any doubt regarding your scholarship and
Okay,
linking,
sir.
you have to talk to Srinivas sir, and I gave you Srinivas sir's number in the group. Do you have that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Talk to him. Please
Yes,
talk
sir.
to him. Please talk to him. Get your doubts clarified and link your biometric. Otherwise, your scholarship, you will not get your scholarship. You have to do it. I don't know the last date for that also. You have to talk to your hostel manager to know about that. He came to me. He asked me to put that in the group and I put it in your group. He wanted me to inform to you. I have informed you. All of you have to do that. You talk to your friends. If you have any doubt, you can talk to your friends. If you have any difficulty in linking your Aadhaar, I mean, your biometric also, you can talk to your friends. Even then, if you can't do, talk to hostel manager Srinivas sir. Okay. Now let us go quickly. Let us see what we learned in the last class. Giving instructions. We went through some slides. In the first slide, I asked you when we need to give instructions. You said you answered that question. Do we need instructions everyday life? Yes, yes. In everyday life, also we need instructions. Do they have to be written or oral? Sometimes they will be oral and sometimes they will be written. For example, in written instructions, if you buy a smartphone, you will have that booklet in which you find number of instructions and many other gadgets also, electronic gadgets, computer, laptop or television, mobile or or whatever you buy, tablets, okay, you will find a manual. In that manual, you will find number of instructions. Now, up to this, this one also we went through the instructions given by the examiner, and this is where we stopped in the last class. Right? Do you remember? Instruction should be given step by step. So if it is a process, if it is a procedure, okay, if you are asked to do something, if you are asked to do some experiment, for example, in physics lab as chemistry lab, write instructions to prepare H2O, okay, you have to give step-by-step instructions accordingly. Give all the relevant facts, and you have to tell what to do and what not to do also. You should not touch this, you should add this before that. Such instructions should be given. And you have to always use simple language, okay? Imperatives, you should, you must not, you should not, you do not, okay, you need not. Such expressions have to be used. Now, and they must be arranged in logical sequence. Say what should be done first, and then what should be done next, and so on. Now, you can write down the points in this slide. Is there a snake in the class? I hear some noise by snake.
Second sem.
Okay, now you please go through this slide.
When a series of instructions are given, use expressions of sequencing, starting, continuing, and finishing to make sure that they are completely intelligible. The following list contains some expressions used in the instructions. Firstly, before you begin. After that, at the last step is. Then the first thing is, the next step is to. In the end.
Class end అయిపోతది కాల్ చేస్తే.
Yeah.
ఎత్తదరా.
That means expressions like firstly.
అనే మళ్ళా లాగిన్ చెయ్యనియర్రా. క్లాస్ అయినాక పెడతా.
Dedipia mute.
I have muted everyone. When you want to speak with me, you can unmute yourself and speak, right? When you are speaking about things, about procedures, you have to use expressions like first you have to take this, first you have to add this, then first you have to take this, then add this. Before you begin doing this, you have to do something else after that. And the last step is, then the first thing is, the next step is to, in the end, next, I would start by further, when you have finished, lastly, to begin with, then, and finally. These are some expressions you have to use when you explain a procedure, okay? To give some instructions. These are the expressions you have used. Please write down these expressions in your notebook. Firstly, before you begin, after that, etc. All these expressions, please write down, note down in your notebook. Actually, I was having some other work. Have you given attendance, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have written all these expressions, firstly to finally. Have you noted down all these expressions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, give instructions to prepare a cup of tea. Write instructions. You have to give instructions to your sister to prepare a cup of tea. Okay, write a paragraph. So you have to use you have to make use of these expressions. Firstly, before you begin, after that, you did not use all these expressions. Whichever expressions are useful, you have to use them here. Give instructions to prepare a cup of tea. You write a paragraph. I will give you 5 minutes time. Then you can speak. Has everybody given attendance? Has anybody not given attendance?
లేదు సార్.
ఎందుకు రావట్లేదమ్మా?
ఏమో సార్ రావట్లేదు. కొంతమందికి కూడా రావట్లేదు సార్. మ్యాథ్స్ కూడా రావట్లేదు.
Yes, sir.
SSM sir attended.
Why is it not coming? See, we have been giving our attendance in this link only for a very long time. Still, try once again. I have sent the link again.
Sir, I have dropped my attendance.
You gave your attendance.
Yes, sir.
Please, once again, everybody, please try once again. Those who have not got attendance, please try once again.
Sir, for me not getting, but I am.
No sir, it's not coming.
Why is it not coming? What is the problem? What could be?
Maths also not coming, sir. Maths.
Yes, sir.
Yes
From
sir, for
yesterday.
me also. Yesterday also I didn't give attendance for maths.
Okay, so there is a problem with the network or with the Google form. I will find out. I will find out from Mallikarjun Reddy sir. Okay, today those who can give attendance, give. Okay, otherwise tomorrow, let us try tomorrow. Okay, don't worry, don't
Sir, I
worry.
gave with my friend's phone, sir. Attendance.
You with your phone you couldn't give.
Yes, sir, with my friend's phone.
Okay.
Maths also, that's not.
Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. If you can give attendance, otherwise don't worry about attendance. Now, have you given instructions to prepare a cup of tea?
Yes, sir.
Now, who wants to read first? Harini.
Yes, sir.
Harini, can you please read out your instructions?
Yes, sir. Reading.
Yeah.
Firstly, take a half cup of water in a kettle.
Yeah.
Then light the stove.
Hmm.
Place that kettle on the stove.
Hmm.
Boil the water.
Hmm.
Then add a teaspoon of tea leaves.
Hmm.
Also add a half cup of milk into it.
Hmm.
Then next add a teaspoon of sugar. Then let that boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then turn off the stove. Finally filter the tea into 1 cup and serve it.
Okay, but I have one doubt. What is a kettle? I have never used kettle to prepare tea. Are you using kettle at home to prepare tea?
No, sir.
Then why did you use that word kettle? You are reading from some other book.
No, sir, I have written.
No, you are not. You may not be reading now, but you already read something like this. Kada?
I will read
Kettle,
story,
we
sir.
have never used
Story I
kettle.
haven't read.
We have never used kettle to prepare tea. See, that is done only in some small restaurants, not at home. Yes, Pranaya? Pranaya. Pushpa.
Yes sir.
Yeah, Pushpa, can you please read out your instructions to prepare a cup of tea?
Sir, my dialogues also same, sir.
Yeah, please read. You have to read it. You have to read whatever you have written.
first take half a cup of water in a kettle, then light the stove.
No, why are you are copying from some other book. Please don't copy from
Ante
other books.
sir,
No. I, how do you know the word kettle? You first tell me. Are you using kettle at home to prepare tea? Tell me
Sir, I'm
please.
Swati, sir.
Yeah, Pranaya, are you using kettle to prepare tea?
Sir, Srilekha, sir.
Sri Lanka, are you using
Yes,
kettle to
sir.
prepare tea at home? Why did you get that word? Tell me. Sri Lanka,
No,
then why are you using that word kettle?
sir,
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, please don't use the things which we don't use at home. See, this is giving instructions to prepare a cup of tea. Take a kettle and pour some water in that kettle. Where is that kettle? What is that kettle? Nobody knows. Manognya?
sir, I'm Srilekha, sir.
Yeah, Sri Lanka.
Firstly, you take a pan and that
Pan?
take some
No,
pan.
not pan, not pan. It is not a pan.
Sir, bowl, sir.
You can say bowl.
bowl.
Bowl, yeah, right.
Yes,
Bowl. Bowl. Take a bowl. Sri Lanka, you read. Instead of pan,
Okay, sir.
use bowl.
Bowl.
Hmm.
In that take some water. Then
Hmm.
on the stove,
Hmm.
boil the water.
Hmm.
After 2 minutes, add the tea powder and milk and
Hmm.
also add the sugar.
Hmm.
Next, wait for 5 to 10 minutes.
Hmm.
Then tea is ready.
Okay, right. Now next, Swati.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, Swati.
First of all, we have to take a bowl. In that, we have to pour the milk, and we have to add some water, like 2 glass.
Okay.
Sir, Padma, I say, sir.
Swati completed? Yeah,
Sir, Tanmay, can I say, sir?
yeah, Tanmay, speak.
First, take a quantity of required water in a vessel. Then light the stove.
Yeah,
Place the vessel on the stove.
yeah.
Boil the water.
Hmm.
Then add a teaspoon of tea leaves.
Hmm.
Also add a half cup of milk. Next, add a teaspoon of sugar.
Hmm.
And let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes.
Right.
Turn off the stove.
Hmm.
Finally, filter the tea into a suitable cup. Serve the tea while it is hot.
Right, very good. And one more important thing you have to know is we are not concerned with the exact way to prepare tea. I don't want to know how you really make tea. What I am interested in is how you give instructions to prepare tea. Sometimes you may add water before adding milk, or sometimes you may add milk and then add water later. Okay, it does not matter. I don't mind. See, how you make tea is not important. There may be some mistakes in preparing tea, but how you give instructions is what is important. Have you understood? Now,
Yes, sir.
now read,
Yes, sir.
now read this, some instructions I have given, and I have also used, because it is there in the textbook, I have also made this mistake. I too have to change it into something like
Vessel.
vessel, right? Yeah. Yeah. You read
In the third line also, sir.
third line also. Yeah, please. The vessel, right? First, take half a cup of water in a vessel, because we are asking how to prepare a cup of tea, not more than a cup of tea. Take half a cup of water in a vessel, then light the stove, place the vessel on the stove, boil the water, then see, these are the expressions. First, then add a teaspoon of tea leaves. Also, another expression, also add half a cup of milk. Next, add a teaspoon of sugar. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the stove. Finally, filter the tea into a suitable cup. Serve the tea while it is hot. See, what are the expressions? First, then, also, next, finally. These are the expressions. See, when you write instructions, even in your exam, you should not miss such expressions. First, then, later, before that, after that, finally. Such expressions have to be used in giving instructions. Okay, this is a procedure. You always give instructions for a procedure. How to switch on TV? You can write instructions for that. How to switch on laptop? So give instructions to wash one's face. Now you do this one. This is also there in the textbook. Quickly write it.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, okay. You speak, you can speak, you can give instructions to wash face.
First, we have to take a bucket of water and we have to dip the jug into the water and we have to pour on our face. After that, we have to take a soap and we have to uh, I mean,
Apply to our face.
apply to our face.
Hmm.
After that, we have to wash with the water and we have to take the towel and we have to wipe it whatever it is.
Right. Anybody else who wants to speak? Yeah.
Tanmay sir.
Your Padma?
Tanmay sir.
Tanmay, yeah. Tanmay, you can speak.
First, clean your face with a towel. Then take some water and sprinkle the water on your face.
Right.
Take the soap and apply it to your face, and then wash the soap with the water. Then take the towel and clean the water
Okay.
there on your face.
Okay, right. Right. Now 2 persons are sufficient for this. Now next. Give the rules to be followed while crossing a road. See, these are the questions which are going to come in your examination. Such questions will come in your exams. Write instructions to be followed while crossing a road. Another person, I want another person. Yeah, you can write down. If you can't speak directly, you can take 2 minutes, write down. Don't forget to use such expressions like firstly, before you begin, after that, the last step is, finally. See, these expressions you have to follow. You have to use. Give the rules to be followed while crossing a road. Now there is less than 1.5 minutes. We'll get disconnected after 1.5 minutes. With that, today's class will be over. We shall meet tomorrow.
Sir, attendance, sir.
Attendance you have, those who have given.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Sir, you send the link in WhatsApp group, sir.
Okay. Okay, I will send you the link in WhatsApp group.
Max class
Sir, I'm
link also not
Swati,
getting
sir.
open, sir.
Sir, shall I-
Maths are also sent on WhatsApp.
No, sir.
So I will send on WhatsApp. Let us see if you can get through WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
You have written the rules to be followed while crossing a road.
So,
Anybody can speak about the rules. Rules to be followed while
sir,
crossing a
shall I
road.
say so?
Yeah. Quickly, begin quickly. Less than half a minute we have.
First, whenever we want to cross a road, we have to see that any vehicles are coming or not. After going the vehicles, we have to cross the road. If the vehicle